Roads are about to get buried. This is not a drill. Winter storm warning upgraded across the Sierra Nevada. Forecasters warn 48-60 inches of snow gusts up to 80-90 plus mph. I-80 could be shut or blown closed. Major travel disruptions this weekend. Highway 50 could be shut or blown closed. Major travel disruptions this weekend. 395 could be shut or blown closed. Major travel disruptions this weekend. If you're heading that way, turn around, delay travel, stock up now. Follow local alerts and DIAT updates. Stay safe out there.